Hello everyone, this is the Pocket Option platform. I'm Ernest, and today we're going to talk about trading from your phone. Yes, you heard that right. It might sound strange to you right now, because many people picture a trader sitting with a bunch of monitors doing something active, analyzing. But in reality, that's not the case anymore in 2024, and you can trade literally with your phone in hand or in your pocket. Everything will be very simple and quick, and today we'll talk about this visually and show you clearly. Technologies in the trading industry have changed a lot, and in general, the general trend of developing and optimizing mobile applications has grown. Trading hasn't been left out of this. Now you can really use the software both on your computer and on your phone. And it won't be different at all, well, except for just the area of your screen, but the other inconveniences are absent. And it's also important to understand that Pocket Option uses the quick trading system, so it's fully optimized for trading from your phone. All you need to do is make a decision to buy or sell. So basically, you have two buttons, along with very good and simple analysis tools that are also available on your phone. So now we're going to switch to our screen, move on to the practical part, and see how to register and use the app. You can go to the description of this video, click on the pinned link, and you'll actually land on our platform. It will be the same interface as what's currently on the screen of my smartphone. And here we immediately see a notification at the top that we can download the app. But maybe you don't have the same phone model as mine, so you can click on the three lines on the left. And here you can choose the language. And here are all the platforms where you can use the app. This includes iOS, Android. There's also APK downloads and a web app. Web app is trading directly from the browser. Basically, it's just as convenient, but I prefer the app more. Regarding the web app, everything is clear. Sign up, trade, no problems. I think it's all obvious. Let's talk about downloading the app. If you have Android, you just click on Android, go to the Google Play Market, and simply download the app. Again, you log into your account or register, it's all clear and straightforward. If for some reason you have Android and don't have access to the Google Play Market, you can download the APK or app. You just click on it, and it immediately offers you to download this file. You download it, and that's it. The app is on your phone. If you have an iOS system, meaning you have an iPhone, you click on Bo iOS, and here you see a very simple instruction. So step number 1, we click Share. Step number 2, we click Add to Home Screen. Let's do this. We click this arrow. We select Share. We choose Add to Home Screen. That's it. After that, we go into the app itself. And voila, app is installed. We can log into our account and start trading. So what's next? We just log into our account or register if you haven't signed up yet. And for those who aren't registered, I want to remind you that you can go to the description and use our promo code to get a 50% bonus on your first deposit. This is a great opportunity. Make sure to use it, but we are already registered. Actually, I do, so I click Login and get onto platform. And let's talk about the advantages of mobile trading. As we can see, the interface is no different from the desktop version. Basically, we can open our trades just like we did on the computer. Yes, everything is a bit more compact, but it's well optimized for the phone and you can get used to it and everything is as convenient as possible. So let's get back to our topic. There are basically two paths. The first is that you can trade directly and open trades. And the second point is that you can monitor your trades that you opened, for example, on your computer during your main trading hours. Let's say you open 3 long-term trades there for an hour, 2 or 3, and you need to step away for some errands. Do you want to keep an eye on them? Maybe you want to average down on a trade that's in the red, and that requires you to be near your computer. With the app on your phone, you don't need to do that anymore. You can monitor it right here. You can go ahead. Your open trades will be displayed here, and in case of a loss, you can calmly switch to another asset and cover your loss. One of the ways to use the app. But now, let's trade in live mode and open a couple of trades using the phone. So, I've already found an interesting currency pair to trade. I also want to remind you that when trading on your phone, you can turn it to a horizontal position. This way, the chart will become a bit wider. It's definitely a matter of personal preference, but it's more convenient for me at the moment. Okay, you can also find all the elements of technical analysis, indicators, chart type changes by clicking on these 3 dots. And basically, it will have the same functionality as the desktop version. I reflected a parallel channel. We are moving in a downtrend for this asset. We saw a false breakout, but basically we have a high that's above the previous one. I think this is a definite sign of a trend reversal. So we have a 30-second candle. We can open a $1,000 buy trade. Let's wait for the results and see what it brings us. Awesome, we made 1920. As you can see, you can trade from your phone too, and it's pretty simple. Let's open another trade and this time try to rely on the indicator signals. We click on the 3 circles I mentioned earlier and let's add the classic MACD indicator. It's displayed at the bottom and we can see that our green line is crossing the signal line from top to bottom. This means sell signal. We have a candle expiration time of 1 minute. Let's place a sell trade for 1 minute based on the indicator signal. So we made $19-20 again, getting a 92% payout on this asset. But I think it's worth solidifying our results and opening the third and final trade. I hope it will be successful too. So I found another interesting currency pair where we can perhaps enter into. For our third trade, I want it to be successful too. On the 10-minute time frame, we have a bit of an unclear situation, so I suggest switching to the 30-second one. And right here, we just recently had a buy signal. I think we can still hop on, so to speak, at the last minute. Let's also open a buy trade. Basically, the chart is moving within the same price channel. We're currently not far from its lower boundary. I think it's visible on the chart, so I believe that this entry point will be more than acceptable on such a chart. Let's wait for another candle to close. 30 seconds, we need to wait. And our third trade also closes in the profit. In fact, we were just a little short and could have closed at 0, but thankfully that didn't happen. So we have 3 successful trades today. That's an excellent result. Actually, I think you've seen for yourself and experienced that you can trade from your phone. It's really easy. On our platform, you have access to all the same tools. Signals, social trading, that is copy trading, tournaments, various settings, absolutely all the same functionality. So make sure to check the description, download the Toyivo app on your phone and trade with us. Write in the comments to this video what was unclear. We will definitely help you. We'll respond, but if you're just starting your journey in trading, make sure to register on our platform and get a bonus with the promo code. I've already mentioned that. Also, check out our other videos, for example, the one about how to make money in trading if you're a beginner. There, you'll learn a lot of new things and be able to start earning your first money. Thank you all for watching. Hit the bell and subscribe to the channel.